Children have a lot of questions about sexual intercourse. It's not easy for parents to always answer it comfortably. I can tell you as a pediatrician, I had to answer it to children 10, 20, 30 times before I became comfortable with it. So in some ways, parents may need to practice.
I think what I noticed with my daughter was a process that evolved for her. We didn't sort of sit her down when she was 3 and give her the whole lecture. When my wife became pregnant with our second child, my daughter was just after 3, and when we told her that she was going to have a brother or sister, she lit up and said to her mom, "You got something from Daddy."
One very nice way to communicate with children is using what we call the teachable moment.
When they see a neighbor who's pregnant, or they heard about a relative who just had a baby, even if they don't ask, this is an opportunity to tell them a story or give them information. That's when they need it, when there's a desire to learn because of something's happening in their environment, a teachable moment.